Class, today for my presentation, I'll be talking about the intelligence of parrots. When I was younger, I remember loving animals and birds because I thought they had been very intelligent and interesting. When I was in 8th grade, I remember getting a cockatoo named Franny. When we first got her, she was very quiet and didn't talk at all because we first got her. Over the past few years we've had her, she's been very talkative. She says, "Hi Fran," "Goodbye Fran." She also screams when we're not in the room, which is very annoying. I did some further research about the intelligence of parrots, and I learned that there's a part of the brain in the parrots called the medial spiriform nuclei that makes the birds intelligent. There's also part of the brain in humans called the pontine nuclei, which helps with the intelligence of humans. This is very interesting because even though birds and humans, or mammals, are very different, they have very similar brain structures that help with their intelligence. In the wild, birds have to adapt to their surroundings because of all the things that are there in the environment. As danger, they have to find food for themselves and their mates and their children. So parrots yell in the wild when there's a predator around because they need to warn their mate that there's something coming that could be very harmful to them or their spouses or even their young ones. Parrots have 344 genes that are associated with their age, which probably makes them more intelligent because they need to learn and adapt over those many years that they are living. There's a bird. Speaking of a very intelligent bird, there's a parrot, named Alex, who's an African gray parrot. Alex, the African gray parrot, knows 100 English words, and is probably the most talkative and interesting and intelligent bird there is. Dr. Pepperberg, who is the owner of Alex, wanted to have a more innovative approach of teaching Alex because he knew that parrots need to be very social and they need to pick up the group dynamics because in the wild, as I said, there's many predators around and they need to have better communication when there's something coming that might scare them or eat them. Alex was also very intelligent because he could pick up one-liners of conversation that was around the lab, making him very more intelligent. It's very interesting because, I did some research and I thought it was very interesting because even though birds, you might not think they're very smart, they're actually very intelligent. Thank you and thank you. Goodbye. Sorry, not goodbye. This is the end of the video. Thank you.